Imagine a dish, radiant like the Spanish sun, brimming with the freshest seafood, succulent chicken, and infused with the smoky flavor of saffron. This is the iconic paella. The story of paella begins in Valencia, Spain, a region blessed with rich and fertile lands. Valencia's bounty of fresh produce and rice fields provided the perfect backdrop for the creation of a dish that would later become synonymous with Spanish culture: paella. In its humble beginnings, paella was a meal of the people. It was a dish born out of necessity, a culinary solution to a laborer's hunger. Valencia's farmers and laborers would gather around an open fire during lunchtime, combining rice with whatever ingredients were available. It could be a rabbit caught in the fields, beans from the garden, or even snails found along the path. The key was to make do with what nature provided. The name paella itself stems from the wide, shallow pan used to cook the dish, la paella. The expansive surface area of the pan allowed for the rice to cook evenly, absorbing all the flavors of the ingredients, while forming a deliciously caramelized crust at the bottom, known as socarrat. As time passed, the dish evolved, much like the country itself. The simple farmer's meal began to incorporate luxurious ingredients such as seafood from the Mediterranean Sea, succulent chicken, and the now quintessential saffron. The vibrant yellow hue imparted by the saffron not only added to the visual appeal of the dish, but also introduced an aromatic smokiness, elevating the humble paella to a gastronomic delight. Today, paella is more than just a dish. It is a celebration of Spain's rich history and diverse culinary landscape. It embodies the spirit of communal dining, bringing people together around a shared pan, creating a sense of unity and camaraderie. The paella, a dish born out of necessity, has now become a symbol of Spanish culture and culinary artistry. The magic of paella lies in the harmony of its ingredients. Each component is carefully chosen, meticulously prepared, and precisely combined to create a dish that is as vibrant in color as it is rich in flavor. Let's delve into the heart of this Spanish culinary masterpiece. First things first, the rice. The core of paella is its short-grain rice. This type isn't chosen randomly. Its ability to absorb flavors while retaining a firm texture is what makes it ideal for paella. It soaks up the goodness of all other ingredients, resulting in each morsel bursting with flavors that make your taste buds dance. Next up is the golden thread of the culinary world, saffron. This spice, derived from the flower of Crocus sativus, is a non-negotiable in paella. Its distinct aroma and flavor, along with its vibrant color, set paella apart from other rice dishes. It's a precious ingredient, but a little goes a long way. A few strands of saffron can transform a dish, lending it an exotic, aromatic character that is unmistakably Spanish. As for the vegetables, a traditional paella features a medley of bell peppers, tomatoes, and green beans. These add a delightful crunch, a touch of sweetness, and a splash of color to the dish. They also provide a nutritious punch, proving that paella isn't just about taste, it's about balance too. Moving on to the proteins, chicken and seafood are the stars of the show. The chicken is often marinated and browned, providing a robust, hearty flavor. The seafood, usually a mix of prawns, mussels, and clams, adds a taste of the sea that is synonymous with the coastal regions of Spain, where paella originates. Each piece of chicken and seafood is a treasure waiting to be discovered in the vibrant bed of rice. Each ingredient in paella tells a story, contributing to a dish that is a feast for both the eyes and the palate. From the humble grain of rice to the luxurious saffron, the crisp vegetables to the succulent proteins, every component plays its part in creating the symphony of flavors that is paella. Creating paella is not just cooking, it's an art, a rhythm to be followed. In the heart of Spain, this iconic dish is crafted with precision, reverence, and a deep understanding of its traditional roots. Let's delve into the process. To cook paella, you'll need a paellera, a large, shallow pan with two handles. The size and shape of this pan is crucial, ensuring that the rice cooks evenly and absorbs all the flavors of the ingredients. The first step is to sauté your chosen ingredients. This could include a mix of rabbit, chicken, and local beans, depending on the region of Spain you're emulating. Once these are browned, it's time to add the tomatoes and the rice. The rice is the star of the show and should be short-grained, capable of absorbing a lot of liquid while maintaining its structure. Now here's an important note. Once you've added the stock and brought it to a boil, resist the temptation to stir. You might think this is counterintuitive, but stirring can release starch from the rice and make your paella gummy. Instead, let the rice simmer and absorb the stock slowly, as you enjoy the aromatic symphony it creates. As the rice cooks, the flavors meld together, creating a dish that's more than the sum of its parts. It's a reflection of the Spanish landscape, a burst of the Mediterranean sun, a whisper of the Spanish soul. And then there's the sauerkraut. This crispy layer of rice at the bottom of the pan is often considered the highlight of the dish. It's a delicate balance to achieve. Too little heat and you miss out on the sauerkraut. Too much and you risk burning the rice. But when done right, it adds a delightful crunch and a toasted flavor that ties the whole dish together. Paella is not about speed, but about patience, allowing the ingredients to dance together and create a symphony of flavors. So the next time you're cooking paella, remember, you're not just making a meal, you're crafting a masterpiece. Paella is not just a dish, it's a celebration, a symbol of togetherness and Spanish pride. When we delve into the heart of Spain, we find that paella is much more than a sumptuous medley of saffron-infused rice, succulent seafood, and vibrant vegetables. It is a social event, a communal experience that brings people together, a testament to the Spanish spirit of unity and festivity. Paella is often cooked in large, flat pans called paelleras, a spectacle that in itself is a feast for the eyes. The preparation of paella is not relegated to the confines of the kitchen. Instead, it often takes center stage in backyards and public squares during festivals and family gatherings. The act of cooking paella is a shared endeavor, a dance of sorts where everyone has a part to play, whether it's stirring the rice, adding the ingredients, or simply standing by and offering encouragement. But this iconic dish is not merely about the camaraderie it fosters during its preparation. It is a symbol of Spanish hospitality, a warm invitation to join the table, to share in the joy of good food and great company. It is a celebration of life's simple pleasures, a testament to the Spanish belief that good food is best enjoyed when shared. Moreover, paella is deeply rooted in Spain's cultural identity. Each region, each city, even each family has its own version of paella, a unique blend of ingredients and flavors that tell a story of heritage and tradition. From the seafood-rich paella of the coastal regions to the meaty variations of the interior, paella is a reflection of the diverse landscapes and rich cultural tapestry of Spain. So the next time you savor a spoonful of paella, remember, you're not just tasting a dish. You're partaking in a Spanish tradition, a communal celebration, a cultural experience that extends far beyond the dining table. In every grain of rice, every piece of succulent seafood, paella carries the warmth of Spanish hospitality, the vibrant spirit of its festivals, and the rich tapestry of its culture. From the rustic farms of Valencia to the bustling streets of New York, paella has left its mark on the global culinary map. Embarking on a journey from the Spanish coastline, this iconic dish has graced tables across continents, becoming a beloved staple in many households and a star of various food festivals. The global popularity of paella is a testament to its universal appeal, a dish that transcends borders and cultures. Adaptation is a key factor in the worldwide embrace of paella. As this flavorful dish traveled, it evolved, adopting local ingredients and catering to unique cultural tastes. In America, you can find a fusion paella brimming with jambalaya influences. Over in Asia, the Filipino bringhe mirrors paella with its use of glutinous rice, turmeric, and a medley of local seafood. The influence of paella on other rice-based dishes is undeniable. The Italian risotto, with its creamy texture and rich flavors, shares a striking resemblance with paella. Beyond Europe, the Indian biryani, a fragrant spiced rice dish, often cooked with meat or vegetables, echoes the communal aspect of paella. And let's not forget the jollof rice of West Africa, a one-pot rice dish that is a staple for many, shares similarities with paella in its use of spices and cooking techniques. The ubiquitous presence of paella in international food scenes has also sparked a global conversation about authentic recipes and the protection of culinary heritage. This discussion has led to a greater appreciation for the traditional methods of cooking paella, emphasizing the importance of respecting a dish's roots, even as it evolves and adapts. Paella has not just influenced global cuisine, it's become a symbol of cultural exchange and culinary innovation, a dish that tells a story of travel, adaptation, and shared love for good food. Just like the Spanish explorers of old, paella continues to journey across the globe, winning hearts with its vibrant colors and tantalizing flavors. Truly, a dish that speaks the universal language of good food.